Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I picked up a couple things from Family Dollar, as you can see, but today we're going to be going ahead and checking out this LED changing light here by Sylvania. It's a Bluetooth speaker, so if you watch my channel for a while now, you know that I did a bunch of these Family Dollar cheap products and everything, and now we're going to be going ahead and doing it again. So like I said, we're going to be going ahead and checking out this color changing Bluetooth speaker here, so it looks pretty interesting for 15 bucks. Let's go and check it out. Alright y'all, so we back at the unboxing table, and not gonna lie, I'm actually pretty hyped about this one because I ain't did one of these cheap Family Dollar tech products in a minute. Now, one thing that does suck about Family Dollar now is their policy, and let me explain to you real quick. So I guess just recently or something like that, now Family Dollar changed to this like trash policy to like, even if your product is defective, you can't return it. You can't exchange it or return it or none of that if it's defective or you just don't want it no more. And I'm not really feeling that, so like I gotta be more careful when buying things from Family Dollar because like I could get screwed over, and it is what it is. And you know, with these cheap products, I can't just call the company and have them swap it out for me because they won't care. It's a $15 speaker. Now, I'm pretty sure it'll be different for something like a phone or something like that, but still. But yeah, so we're going to be going ahead and checking out this LED changing light Bluetooth speaker here. So this actually looked pretty dope. It's by Sylvania again, like I said. But let me go and look around the box real quick. So on the right side, we have Bluetooth Pulse LED diamond speaker with color changing. On the back, we just got the same exact thing as the front basically, but with a different color. And on the right side, no, the left side, you can see this girl that's really enjoying their Bluetooth speaker for some reason. But at the bottom, we don't got nothing, and at the top, we just got Bluetooth speaker. All right, let's go and crack into this thing. Where my unboxing knife at? Ah, there we go. We eating breakfast. All right, let's go ahead and cut into this box real quick. You can see I got my Galaxy Note 9 right here, and we're about to go ahead and play some music off of this thing. Probably just Chucky beats again. But so we're obviously not gonna get no like crazy presentation or anything like that, but we got a couple cords here. So we got a USB-A to USB-C, and then we got an aux cable there. And let's go and get this out of the box real quick. So there we go. Man, that's smaller than I thought it was gonna be. False advertising, but all right then. But not gonna lie, like it's a dope little looking Bluetooth speaker. Even though it don't look like the most premium, it still look nice. And look like we got like this foam inside of here. I don't know what that's all about, but all right then. But just looking around here real quick, you can see that the Bluetooth speaker here at the top, and then at the bottom we just got really nothing except for something on the side here. So we get a charger, we got a line in, we got a mic, we got an on and off, and then we'll have to figure out what that is. I think that's just a status light. But yeah, I mean, besides that, ain't really nothing too special up in here. So let me see, anything else up in the box? Yeah, we got a user manual. We gonna throw that to the side. And all right then, so let's go and check this out. So all right, let's get that out the way. Now let's see if this thing got some charge up in it. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. And okay, yep, there we go. And like I said, yeah, you can see the whole light right there. That actually look pretty dope, not gonna lie. Now this ain't gonna be better than something like my bottle design speaker by Samsung, which got the whole color changing thing too, but it's still pretty dope. So let me go ahead and unlock this thing, and let's go to the Bluetooth settings. So connections, let's go to Bluetooth, and okay, whoa, what did I do? And let's see if it pops up on here. All right, so there we go. We got Sylvania. Let's go ahead and connect to that. And let's see how long it takes. Let's go ahead and hit on okay.
Bluetooth
connected. Dope. All right, cool. All right, so we can actually see the battery percentage on this Bluetooth speaker. So again, that's actually pretty dope. I'm really feeling that. So let's go ahead and go to YouTube real quick, and then we'll go ahead and see how this sounds. All right, y'all. So we got some Chucky beats. Let's go ahead and okay, there's no volume controls on this thing, so you gotta depend on your phone. But so far, man. Okay, I hear some distortion, but it's louder than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, okay. What y'all think about that? That sound way better than I thought it was gonna sound. Okay. Ooh, that's dope. I'm feeling that sound right there, okay? That's actually pretty nice. Now, let's go to the YouTube video, like a regular YouTube video. Let's look up Kevin Breeze real quick. Okay, there we go. Let's go and play some Galaxy A71 video here.
A71 worth buying in 2020? Well, in this video,
yeah, you can hear that distortion in there. That's crazy. But let's listen to this intro real quick. And it's a lot of distortion, so let's go ahead and bring that down real quick and see. if it improves.
Hi everyone.
Okay,
This is
yeah,
Kevin
that's better
here.
right there.
And
But yeah, like I said, you can already
2020.
see when you bring
Now, I
that
know
volume
many
all the
people will
way
jump
up,
in the
it
comments
really
and
get
say, hey,
distorted, but then you bring it to like a normal volume or something like that, then you're gonna be good. So now let's go and do a delay tester real quick and see what Bluetooth version this is. So let's play audio video sync test and let's see how this is. So wait a second. Is that Bluetooth 5? It looks like Bluetooth 5. Man, if that's Bluetooth 5, that's gotta be crazy for 15 bucks. Hold on. Okay, I'm going crazy, but look at the audio video sync test here. So, you see that right there? That's on sync. Man. Oh man, I'm feeling this speaker so much. Okay, this is a go. Okay, so far, not gonna lie, like I'm actually pretty impressed with this thing. Like I didn't expect that at all. So it's gonna have some distortion if you turn up the volume all the way and everything like that. But besides that, the bass ain't bad on here. It's actually pretty good and it actually get fairly loud. So would I give this thing the Jennings stamp of approval? Yeah. Definitely, you should go ahead and get this thing. Now, like I said, I don't know, like Family Dollar's whole policy is kind of sketch, but I mean, it is what it is, I guess. If you lose out on 15 bucks, you ain't losing out on much. Now, that's gonna depend on some people's budgets if 15 bucks ain't really nothing, but you can go ahead and contact Sylvania if your speaker don't work, and maybe they'll do something for you. But y'all, this gonna be it for my Sylvania Bluetooth speaker here. And like I said, I'm feeling these lights, but you can't go ahead and make it sync with the music or customize it or nothing like that. Like, they're just gonna change colors like this. And you know what? Let me go and turn off the light real quick. And there we go. So that's what it's gonna look like in the dark right there. So just put it on the table like that. I mean, it'll look pretty dope at night. You can't see it that good in like the normal lighting. You can see it, but like it's not gonna be all that clear compared to like night light. But I mean, this thing's cool. Now let's go and try one more thing. Let's go and plug it in and see if it works while it's off. So let's go ahead and use this bogus little aux cord that they gave us, and we'll go ahead and see how it sounds compared to like my Sony aux cord that came with my Sony headphones. So good thing I got the Note 9 because that thing got a headphone jack and I ain't bring no adapter or nothing like that. But let's go and plug this thing in, and man, I might need to take off this case. All right, it is what it is, but let's go and just take off this case real quick. Now let's go ahead and play some real quick. Let's see if we can hear it, and nope, it doesn't look like we can't hear none. So let's go and turn it on. And okay, so it got aux mode here. It got to be on for you to use the aux mode. Now, as for like the aux cord right here compared to like Bluetooth, I'm not gonna lie, like Bluetooth actually sounded better. So let's go and do that real quick. Let's go and unplug that.
Mode.
Okay, now it's in Bluetooth mode automatically.
Bluetooth connected.
And it's actually louder with Bluetooth. Okay, man, that's something. That's actually pretty funny because with aux cord is supposed to sound better, but on here it sounds worse. So what's up with that? Now let me go and get my Sony cord. All right, so cool. So we got the Sonys, as you can see right there. And now let's go and test this thing again. But it's actually pretty cool. So when you plug in, it actually just switches automatically to the aux mode. So let's go and do this and let's see how this thing sounds. Not gonna lie, it sounds pretty much the same as this one. So how does Bluetooth sound louder and better than this? Like, what? That's like some backwards stuff. Okay, like, yeah, that's really confusing. I don't know what's up with that. But Bluetooth is actually louder than the aux cord if you use the aux cord with that thing. And it don't matter if you use this or you use the cord that came with your $350 Sony. Okay, so yeah, I mean, that's still confusing, but at the same time, I still give this a Jennings stamp of approval. You should go and get this thing. For a cheap budget, yeah, that's actually a pretty good deal right there. So this is going to be the Sylvania Bluetooth speaker. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below, but thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe, but go ahead and follow me on my social media at ECentech. You can go ahead and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. That's where I'm most active, and you can find me on Facebook too. But y'all, that's going to be pretty much it for me. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe, stay home, all that stuff you already know about. Stay quarantined. But yeah, peace out. When I finally get a feel on the battery life on this thing, I'll let you know in the comments below. I'll go ahead and pin it at the top.